Let me show you how to make this delicious garden egg stew, and you will love this. Hi there, I am Hirat and you're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for me. Let's get right into it. So here I have my garden eggs, and if you want to make stew, make sure you use this type instead of the orange one. So next I am going to cut it into two, because at times there are worms in it or it has spoiled and you wouldn't know. So to be sure of it, cut it into two to make sure they are all good before you continue with it. So after doing that, I am going to transfer it into a bigger bowl, add enough water, and I am going to add salt and give this a good wash. So after washing it with this water, I will change the water, so you can wash it maybe 2 times or 3 times, and that is fine. So I am going to give it a very good wash. So after washing it, I am going to transfer it into a saucepan, and then I will add water again. Cover and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So after cooking it, this is it and it is ready, and I am going to use my blender to blend this instead of the asanka, okay? In a pan, I will go in with palm oil or red oil, and you can use sunflower oil. So next I am going to add some momoni or cured fish, and if you are not a fan of it, just keep it, okay? So I am going to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. I will then add some onions. Here, be generous with the onions, okay? So fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes, and you're okay with it. So next, I'm going to add this marinade I made, and I already have that video on my channel. Do well and check it out, because it is going to level up your cooking game, okay? So I am going to fry this till everything melts. As you can see, it was frozen. So after everything, I am then going to add some tomatoes, and you can as well blend the tomatoes, but I wanted it this way. So I am going to fry this for 3 to 5 minutes, because I just want to see the tomatoes in the stew. But if you want it to melt, just fry it to your consistency, okay? So I will just allow this to fry for some time, and then I am going to add my eggs. And here, as you can see, I didn't whisk the egg, but you can do as you please. Sprinkle some salt and then give it a gentle stir, because I want the eggs to be chunky in the stew. So I am going to cover it and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I am going to give it a gentle stir. Next, I am going to add smoked mackerel, and you can use any protein of choice. I will then add all-purpose seasoning and then give it a very good mix. And here I am going to cover and allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. And next I will add my blended garden eggs, which I lost the clip, and I am going to give it a very good mix till everything is well combined. So here you can just adjust with your seasoning. I will then cover it again and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. And then our garden egg stew is ready, guys. So this stew was so delicious and yet very simple to recreate. So just make this recipe and you will love this. And you can actually pair this stew with everything. So when I was done, I was just having banku around, and I said, let me serve it with banku, and it slapped. Just try it and you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Bye.